Hi, my name is Marian, and we are getting into what a project plan is and how to use it. A project plan really lists all the milestones necessary to achieve the project's objectives, along with the associated task and team member responsibilities. Also, sometimes we add, actually, most of the time, we add the time and estimate. The project plan can change throughout the project. Don't be surprised. One of the key skills of a project manager is the ability to be flexible and adapt. The project plan will change. Okay. Let me not say can, it will change. Dates will shift, different tasks will get added, removed, all of that. So be prepared for that. But the project plan is not a document that you create and it just sits. It's a working document. At every point in time, you're making changes, you are updating it to say maybe something started, it's in progress, it's completed, it's on hold, all of that. And so it's a moving, breathing document. Why is a project plan important? A well-developed project plan is critical to keep a project on the schedule and within the budget. It does so by keeping the project team on track with a view of the project as a whole, along with the smaller deliverables required for completion. And so it helps to keep the full and the whole team on track. It helps them to know where we are, what needs to be completed, what's ahead of us, what's maybe uh, behind at any point in time. It's to help guide the team to make sure that we are on course or maybe not. There's a template that I'll walk you through as well. The key deliverables and milestones identified in the project charter phase. And so you see all of that in the project plan. And so you move these into the project plan along with any other dates that will be identified. That's like the basic, right? Once you have some dates from the project sponsor, you'll be able to put all of that into the project plan and you start working on that. That's like the foundation of your project plan. And then you start contacting the different stakeholders who have more insight into it. So you start thinking through the smaller task required to achieve these milestones. All of that should be on the project plan. So this is what a project timeline or a project schedule or project plan should look like. Should have whether or not the item or the uh, task is a milestone. The health of it, is it in progress? Is it um Oh, no, actually, the schedule health shows whether red, yellow, or green. Now, if it's behind schedule, it's red. If it's yellow, it means that you're almost getting to that red status. Probably something is due on Thursday and it's still not started, depending on how long it should take. And then green is, of course, everything is going well. And then the task is under the task name over here, initiation. And then you have the status. So the status is whether or not it's in progress, not started, completed, or basically late. You get to choose what verbiage you want to put there. But these are the basic ones. Assigned to who is responsible for completing that particular task. The start date, the end date, how many days it should take. The predecessors are really, for example, if for task two, we need task one to be completed before task two can start, then that means that for task two, task one is the predecessor. So that should show. And then if you have any notes that you want to put in there for anyone who's looking at the project plan, that will be where you indicate. So that's really it. It's a simple document, but very, very vital and important in any project work. That's pretty much it for a project plan. Are you aspiring to enter the world of project management, but you're feeling lost on where to start? Let me guide you through every step of the journey, from crafting a standout resume and finding the perfect roles to mastering interview techniques and negotiating an ideal salary. I've got you covered on all of that. Plus, I'll be sending you job alerts twice every week. I'll also ensure that your LinkedIn profile shines bright, drawing recruiters to you like a magnet. With my expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to excel in the competitive field of project management. So don't wait. Go to www.pathwaystopm.com/coaching today.